Hi guys, welcome to Mommy's Toy Review. Here I am with my daughter Swastika and Sanvika going to review an amazing art toy for your child. You are at home in your summer holidays and you want to keep your child busy and you want to give a safari experience for your child. Here is a toy. This is from Crayola. What it says, Scribble Safari. You get small little animal creatures with plain white canvas where you can explore and color and design the animals with your favorite colors. Your child must be bored of coloring on a paper. You want to give him a 3D coloring experience. This is the toy for that. Here you go.
It comes with names too. This is Talib, Mia, Tuma, and I think this is Kari.
What is this?
Wow, what is that? Hey, it looks
It's
like
small
a shower.
little tree to give a rainforest experience.
Look, there's even a little scrubbie here. I think after we color and we made a mistake, then we can wash it off with some water and scrub.
Wow, you can use it again and again. That's a lot of fun. This is a reusable one. You'll never get bored. Design the animals in whichever way and have lots of fun. Let's unbox this.
It's gonna be
I'm
very
gonna
fun.
cut it up. Cut it up.
Now
Here are the coloring pens.
here is sketch pen. Now we're gonna unbox.
All the animals fell off.
This is the lion. This is the scrubby. I found the scrubby. This is a monkey.
Wow, look at this. Oh,
Wow. Oh, it's a natural oasis. Oh, they even feel fuzzy.
here are the animals.
They feel fuzzy. Can you feel
How do you
monkey?
connect
This is
them?
Mia and this is Kari. This is Talib and this is Tuma.
Wow, you want to put some water and try it?
Yes, let's try
Put
it.
some water. Okay, let's color them before we give them a shower. I think enough water.
It's enough water.
Okay.
It said it's gonna come like a shower.
Let's color them up.
With markers. So I'm gonna color Tuma.
Color.
I'm gonna fill. What is the coloring?
It's a lion.
Kari, yeah. So I'm gonna do some coloring.
Coloring.
We can make shapes.
Coloring.
I'm making my main orange.
I'm making my giraffe. Do your own coloring.
Ooh, this is so
I'm gonna
fun.
color the giraffe.
Okay.
Giraffe. Wow, a beautiful giraffe.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. We can use two colors. We can color them up, design them, mix them
Designing
up.
my elephant. Designing the elephant. I thought you were doing the monkey. I'm doing
Get up.
elephants. Doing an elephant now. I thought the monkey's fun. You watch out the monkey. Whee.
Here goes a giraffe with lots of spots, brownie spots on them.
Okay.
Now the giraffe goes to take a bath. Let's try it.
It's shower time.
Wait, okay. Keep the giraffe. Who's gonna make him shower?
Let's see. Let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you put your scrubber here in the tub.
Oh,
And then guess who's gonna take a bath?
Bath.
Wow,
3, 2,
here.
1.
Focus here.
3,
1, 2, 3.
Wow, it works.
Wow.
Like a
Who wants to
shower.
scrub the giraffe? Scrub
Let's
him
do a
up.
scrubby scrub.
Scrub him up. Let's
Scrub
rinse.
it up.
Wow, he gets a clean bath. He comes out clean white as he was before.
Now clean him up.
Okay, dry him up a bit. He takes the slide and comes down, sliding down the
So
blue
I'm going to
little
complete
slide.
my elephant. Now I'm going to color.
Here goes the giraffe, a monkey, enough, a lion, and a little elephant.
Now
So
I'm going to take a bath for the lion.
Okay, keep him in the tub.
There you go, little lion. Now time to squeeze.
Give him a little scrub.
I want to scrub
Wait a
it.
minute. Yeah,
Okay.
scrub him, scrub him.
It's my little lion, and you get to go scrub yours.
Yay. It's so much fun. Okay, there are 12 different animal creatures like this to collect from Crayola, Scribble, Scrabble, and I really suggest for your little child, a boy or a girl, it doesn't matter, they both are gonna have fun. And moreover, this is a safari experience. This is a newest toy from Crayola, and it's available in the leading toy shops in the market. I suggest you to buy this for your child and make him happy and have a safari experience. Please do subscribe to the channel, Mommy's Toy Review, and have fun. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Have fun.
Bye.